Asking this question, what are your thoughts on Nvidia versus AMD graphics cards? I've got a lot of thoughts on that. Oh my gosh. Are you ready? All right, we're going to talk graphics cards. So if any of you guys out there are looking to be a content creator, if you're looking to do webinars, if you're looking to make a podcast, if you're looking to edit video, if you're looking to live stream, if you're looking to record gameplay, things of that description, if you want to be a content creator, then Nvidia graphics cards are your only option, in my opinion. Do not waste any money on getting an AMD graphics card if you are going to be a content creator. So what do I mean by that? So I have two machines here in my creator studio. Let's talk about it. So number one, if you are looking to play games, you can use an AMD graphics card just to play games, no problem. But if you want to capture your gameplay, if you want to live stream that gameplay, if you want to be a streamer for that gameplay, having an Nvidia graphics card, if you want to stream video games, if you want to capture video games, you want to use an Nvidia graphics card because it has a piece of technology called the Nvidia encoder. And so whenever you're in OBS, which I have right here, and you go into your settings in OBS and you have the output tab on any of your computers, you're going to see something called X264, which is the encoder that, or X264, H264, or whatever as your encoder. And what that encoder means is that it's using the processor in your computer to do all of the encoding for the stream. So it's using your Intel processor or your AMD processor to do all of the encoding for your stream. Guess what? That encoder is going to get overloaded if you have an AMD graphics card. But if you have an Nvidia graphics card, like the RTX 3080 I have in here, in this computer, in the featured computer I have. Also, this computer I'm pulling up right now is the same one as this one. It's literally the exact same one. It has something called an NVENC encoder, the Nvidia NVENC encoder, which allows you to stream and record your gameplay using the graphics card rather than having to use your processor. This is a total game changer. Not only does it pull the load off of your CPU in terms of being able to process a stream, but it also increases the quality of your broadcast at the same time. So this laptop, for example, right here, is my streaming laptop. This streaming laptop, as you can see, has an Nvidia graphics card built in, a GeForce RTX. This one has a 2060 built in. And the reason why you want that Nvidia graphics card in the streaming laptop is the graphics card in there is picking up the entire load. This is the laptop I'm using. I'm featuring it right now. It's picking up the entire load of doing this live stream. So my processor is free to run Windows. It's free to run Discord. It's free to run my Stream Deck. It's free to run all the background processes I need it to run during this broadcast so that I can do my thing. And then the graphics card is handling the rest of the load. So, in conclusion, if you want to be a content creator, do not buy AMD graphics cards. They just have not released the technology. They have not released what is called the NVENC encoder, okay? It's called the NVENC encoder. And if you're going to get an Nvidia graphics card, I'm going to pull it up right now. I'm about to get real nerdy with you guys, okay? And then I'm going to answer more of your questions. So I'm about to teach y'all some serious stuff about Nvidia versus AMD graphics cards. You guys ready for this? Nvidia, what is it, the NVENC? There's a table that shows, yes. I'm about to get really, really nerdy on you guys, but trust me, this is something that you need to know before you buy any computer, okay? And I will answer your question there, David and Dylan, okay? Thank you for being patient. Before you buy any computer, especially if you're gonna be a content creator, I'm not gonna make you look at all the numbers on the screen, but basically here's what you need to know. Nvidia, see this NVENC thing up here? They created this technology that allows you to capture and record video using the graphics card. It works with Adobe products, it works with Adobe Premiere, it works with Photoshop, it works capturing gameplay, it works running Zoom calls even, okay? It handles video for you. Got it? They have developed this technology called NVENC. This is in Nvidia graphics cards, not in AMD graphics cards, every single generation. So as you can see, as the generations go on, their capabilities increase and increase and increase. And so, if you buy a 6th generation, which is the 20 series cards, or a 7th generation, which is the 30 series cards, graphics cards, what does that do for you as a content creator? As you can see from this table, it allows you to capture up to 4K or 8K video using your graphics card. It has built-in hardware that can beast for you and capture up to 8K resolution or higher resolution content using your graphics card. AMD does not have this technology, okay? And so this is the reason why if you buy a computer as a content creator, they all are having Nvidia graphics cards because of this technology. They are way ahead of AMD in this regard. Great.